long trip. You're tired and excited. You get to the hotel, but you don't know what to say. Your heart beats fast. What if they don't understand you? Don't worry. Today, we'll talk about it. You'll feel ready and calm for your next vacation. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Practical English Today. I'm Ava, your friend for easy English practice. We help you speak like a natural every day. Today, I have my good friend, Mr. Jack, with me. He's traveled a lot and knows all about hotels. Hi, Mr. Jack.
Hi, Ava. Great to be here. I love sharing travel stories. Hotels can be fun, but sometimes tricky if English is new for you.
Yes, exactly. So our topic today is how to book a hotel room in English for your next vacation. Let's make it simple and real. Mr. Jack, have you ever had a funny hotel story?
Oh, yes, Ava. One time in Paris, I tried to book a room. I said, I want a big bed, but they gave me a room with 2 small beds. I laughed later, but it was a mix-up.
That's funny. A small misunderstanding. Okay, let's start from the beginning. How do you book a hotel room? Maybe over the phone or online, but let's pretend we're calling the hotel.
Good idea. It's like a real conversation. You can practice with me. First, you call and say hello. Then tell them what you want.
Right, so imagine I'm calling. Ring, ring. Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Hello, this is the Sunny Hotel. How can I help you?
I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
Sure. What dates?
From July 10th to July 12th.
Okay, let me check. We have rooms available. Do you want a single or double?
A double room, please, for me and my friend.
Great. With a king bed or 2 twins?
A king bed, please.
Got it. Now, do you need any special features like a view or Wi-Fi?
Yes, a room with a sea view. And free Wi-Fi?
All rooms have free Wi-Fi. Sea view costs a bit more. Is that okay?
How much more?
Standard room is $100 per night. Sea view is $120.
That makes sense. I'll take the sea view.
Perfect. Your name?
Ava Smith.
And a credit card to hold the room?
Sure, it's Visa number 1234567890123456. Expires 12/25.
Thanks. You're all set. We'll see you on July 10th.
Thank you.
See? That was easy. When you book a hotel room, start with, I'd like to book a room. Then give dates.
Yes, and ask for what you want, like a double room or a room with a view.
Exactly. Repeat after me naturally. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
I'd like to book a room for 2 nights. Sounds good.
Now, what if you want something specific, like no smoking?
You can say a non-smoking room, please.
Right, or a room on a high floor.
Oh, really? That's useful. I hate low floors sometimes.
Me too, noise from the street. So in the call, just add it, like, I'd like a non-smoking room on a high floor.
I'd like a non-smoking room on a high floor. Easy.
Now, let's think about arriving, check-in time. You get to the hotel desk.
Yes, exciting, but a bit scary if English is hard.
Don't worry, smile and say, hello, I have a reservation. The desk person says, welcome, your name?
Ava Smith.
Here it is. Can I see your ID?
Sure, here's my passport.
Thanks. Now the room is ready. It's number 305. Here's your key card.
Great. Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10.
Perfect. Where's the elevator?
To the left.
Thank you. So, key phrases. I have a reservation. Your name? Here's my ID.
I have a reservation. Sounds confident.
Yes. Now, what if you want to request something extra at check-in?
Like more towels?
Sure. Say, can I have extra towels?
Or a wake-up call?
Yes, I'd like a wake-up call at 8 a.m.
I'd like a wake-up call at 8 a.m. Good for early flights.
Exactly. Hotels are happy to help. Now about the room features. What if the room isn't what you asked for?
Like my Paris story, a small misunderstanding.
Yes, so you say, "Excuse me, I asked for a king bed, but this has two twins."
The desk says, "Oh, sorry, let me fix that."
Then they give you a new room.
Yes, be polite. It works.
Polite is key. Now, clarifying rates, money stuff.
Important. At check-in, ask, "What's the total cost?"
Or, is tax included?
Yes, they might say, "The rate is $120 per night plus tax."
So total for 2 nights?
About $260.
That makes sense. What if there's a mistake on the bill?
Like extra charges.
Yes, scary.
Stay calm. Say, "I see a charge for minibar, but I didn't use it."
Oh, really? Then what?
They check and remove it.
Good. Resolve billing discrepancies confidently.
Yes. Phrase, "Can you explain this charge?"
Can you explain this charge? Simple.
Now, handling checkout. End of stay.
You go to the desk.
Say, "I'd like to check out.
I'd like to check out. Natural.
Here's your bill. Any questions?"
No, it looks good. Here's my card.
Thank you. Come back soon.
Easy. But what if you need to leave early?
Say, "I need to check out early."
Or extend. Can I stay one more night?
Yes. Can I extend my stay?
Can I extend my stay? Useful.
Now, let's role play a full thing. You book, check in, a problem, then check out.
Fun. I'm the traveler. You're the hotel.
Okay. Ring, ring.
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Hi, Sunny Hotel. For when?
August 1st to 3rd, a double room with sea view.
Sure. Non-smoking?
Yes, please.
$150 per night, okay?
Yes, my name is Ava.
Booked. See you.
Now imagine I arrive. Hello, I have a reservation. Ava.
Welcome. ID, please.
Here.
Room 402. Key here. Breakfast included.
Thanks. Oh, can I have extra pillows?
Sure, we'll send them.
Now, in the room. Wait, what? The view is parking lot, not sea. I go back. Excuse me, I asked for a sea view.
Oh, sorry. Mix-up. Here's a new room. 501.
Funny moment like your Paris one.
Yes. Now, check out.
I'd like to check out.
Bill is $320. Any issues?
Wait, what's this $20 charge?
Parking. Did you park?
No, I took a taxi.
Sorry, I'll remove it. Now, $300.
Thanks.
Safe travels.
See? Real life example. Misunderstanding fixed easily.
Yes, and relatable. I remember my first trip alone. I was nervous about the bill.
Me too. Light emotional moment. Felt like a kid, but after, so confident.
Exactly. Practice makes it better.
Let's repeat some phrases. I'd like to book a room.
I'd like to book a room.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
Can I have extra towels?
Can I have extra towels?
I'd like to check out.
I'd like to check out.
Can you explain this charge?
Can you explain this charge?
Natural repeats for practice.
Yes. Now for amenities. What else? Pool?
Ask, does the hotel have a pool?
Yes, open till 9 p.m.
Gym?
Yes, 24 hours.
Cool. Request, can I get a late checkout?
Sure, till 1 p.m.
Transforms anxiety into calm.
Right, efficiency in travel.
Let's talk more examples. Suppose you're with family.
Book a family room. Say, a room for 4 people.
Or connecting rooms.
Yes, 2 connecting rooms, please.
Simple. For business, a quiet room.
A room away from the elevator.
Good. Now, international hotels. English works most places.
Yes, but speak slow.
Like we are now. Another funny moment. Once I said bathroom, but meant bathtub. They thought I needed a new room.
Wait, what? That's hilarious.
Yes, but fixed quick.
See, mistakes happen. Laugh and learn.
Now, rates inclusions. Ask what's included in the rate.
Breakfast, Wi-Fi, parking.
Or, is there a resort fee?
Sometimes yes.
Clarify early.
Yes.
Checkout procedures. Return key?
Yes, or leave in room.
Bill by email?
Ask, can I get the bill by email?
Can I get the bill by email? Good.
Now, soft recap. So, booking, I'd like to book a room. Check-in, I have a reservation. Request, can I have? Fix issues, excuse me. Check out, I'd like to check out.
Yes, and handle money. Can you explain this charge? Feels seamless now.
Totally. Listeners, practice these.
Yes, try with a friend.